Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. Today we are going to discuss survey research method. What is a survey? It is a very common term and very important method of research. It is most popular method. It is used mainly when people are concerned, when we want to know the opinions of people, we want to know their responses regarding an issue. So this is a very common method which is used in social sciences and a very important method in case of applied social research also. So when we are interested in finding out the facts and we want to know the trend means whatever is going around in fashion, and we want to know the causal relationship means something which is causing certain kind of situation. So where we give importance to the responses of the people, we give importance to the opinion of the people, and we want to know what they think, what is the current trend that is going on. We use survey method, and survey involves collection of information by asking question from the people. So we try to collect responses from them through various channels, and various methods which are used in survey are interview, questionnaire, telephonic survey and observation. So interviews could be telephonic interview and personal interview, face to face interview. Different types of interviews can be conducted. Questionnaire can be used through mails, through emails. Maybe personally you can go and ask the people to fill the questionnaire. It consists of list of questions. Telephonic surveys when you ask telephonically and they respond to you. And observation means when you go and observe people and you note down what are their opinions, what are their choices regarding certain situation. So survey is generally done to know the mass opinion. We can say in short that when we want to know the mass opinion, a survey method is a best method to collect the information quickly from large number of people, to gather the information and to find out the results of your observation. So this is survey method. Now in further videos we will go one by one to each method. Interview, questionnaire and observation we have already discussed, and we'll find out what are the different types of interview, types of questionnaire, and giving examples. So thanks for watching.